ये तो उस दिन जब ट्रैक्टर लेकर दिल्ली गए, ये ना बहका दिया कि लाल किले पे चल जाओ। अगर ये उस दिन पार्लियामेंट की तरफ को कर देते, वो तो 26 जनवरी थी, नहीं तो 25 लाख आदमी थे। ये सारा का सारा काम उसी दिन निपट जाता केस। ये निपटेगा।
चूक रह गई थोड़ी,
और रहेगी चूक, और
इस बार पूरी
अब तैयारी है, जनता की चिंता ना करो।
This is what farmer leader Rakesh Tikat said on national television, threatening to endanger national security, attempting to stir controversy and chaos. Namaskar, I am Suruchi Das and you're watching Ritam News. Tikat's latest inflammatory statement was a clear indication of his anti-national sentiments. While talking to the media on Tuesday, Tikat warned of a situation similar to Bangladesh in India. Adding to the same, he said, during the previous incident, people were misled and reached the Red Fort, but if 2.5 million people had headed towards Parliament that day, the entire issue would have been resolved.
और फिर हर्ष वहाँ जैसा होगा, बांग्लादेश जैसा बंदे, यही हाल यहाँ होगा। ये ढूंढे नहीं मिलने के, जनता बहुत गुस्से में है।
These remarks by Rakesh Tikat portrays his anti-sentiments towards India with an attempt to sow discord and unrest. His statements were to incite a mob, disrupting harmony and stability in the nation. Apart from this, Tikat labelled the Arjikar Medical College case a controversy by the central government to topple the Mamata government in West Bengal and impose precedence rule. Tikat should know that an incident which shook the whole nation gave rise to major questions on women's safety in workplaces. A woman killed brutally at her workplace by her colleagues cannot be subsumed in a false allegation.
रेप और हत्या हुई, रेप और हत्या का केस दर्ज उनके ऊपर हो गया, लेकिन पूरे देश में हाईलाइट करना क्या सरकारों को बदनाम करने की साजिश है? भाई रेप और हत्या हुआ, उसके लिए कानून है देश में, लेकिन पूरे देश में उसी को ही पिछले 10 दिन से उसको उठाना।
तो क्या हासिल करना मकसद है इसके पीछे?
सरकार गिराना, राष्ट्रपति शासन लगाना, देश की सत्ता पर काबिज रहना।
Addressing the same, BJP leader Shehzad Poonawalla condemned Tikat's remarks as disgraceful. Poonawalla also mentioned that this is an open threat to replicate the Bangladesh chaos in the nation. Meanwhile, responding to Rakesh Tikat and several members of India Alliance who are calling the Arjikar case as propaganda, Poonawalla asked, is the Supreme Court also involved in the conspiracy against Mamata, while it scolded Mamata's government for negligence on the case?
This is the most shameful statement that somebody like Rakesh Tikat could make. And that too after Rahul Gandhi says that the entire Arjikar Medical College rape and murder is a distraction. He says it is a conspiracy against the government of Mamata Banerjee, that it is propaganda being done for last 10 days. I want to ask Mr. Tikat and his benefactors and patronizers in India Alliance, is the Supreme Court intervention also propaganda and conspiracy? The Supreme Court slammed the Mamata Banerjee government and indicated how there was an institutional cover-up of evidence, how there was Balatkari Bachao not Beti Bachao. Is the Supreme Court involved in propaganda? Is the High Court which transferred the probe to CBI involved in propaganda and conspiracy, Mr. Rakesh Tikat? Mr. Rakesh Tikat, please tell us, are the parents who are demanding justice and saying that Mamata Banerjee is not ensuring justice, in fact she's silencing those who are speaking out the truth, are they part of the propaganda and conspiracy?
Rakesh Tikat is the latest example of the internal threats the country faces. He represents those anti-national elements which benefit from watching India fall at the global forum. These elements will actively bow to outside forces trying to sabotage the social fabric of a society and fight the right